So I was just in the middle of filming a video on a really cool Canadian brand of video that should be out by the time you're seeing this actually, but a knock on the door came and a watch has arrived all the way from France. It has been forever since we've done an unboxing. So I figured since we have the camera gear all set up, why not? The watch is from Yema. It's a little bit of a different watch than what I'm used to from them. I'm more into their divers and that sort of thing. But this is something a little prettier and much dressier, but it looks like a great watch. So let's get to it and check it out. All right, so let's get into this. You might have noticed I've been uploading a lot more frequently lately. Lots of watches here and lots more coming in, which is not a bad thing. It's definitely a good thing. Oh, by the way, I just put a video out on this watch. This is one of my favorites I've had in for a while, the Millgraph from Micro Mil Spec. Kind of a contrast to the watch we're about to be taking a look at here right now, but I think that did it. A couple of little extra slices I think are required to get into this. My knife might be a bit on the dull side too, which isn't helping, but we'll get there. Okay, get rid of these guys. And get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. And we've got the watch. And there it is. The Granvelle. Let me get this out of the plastic and clean up some of the mess and be right back. And here it is. Look at all the cool little details, the case finish. It's done really well. Got a beautiful dial. We'll get in for a little closer look at the dial here in a minute. Quite a thin watch. I believe this is like 8.5, somewhere between 8.5 and 9 millimeters thick. And look at that beautiful micro rotor movement, the CMM20. Wow. Very nice. Let's get in for a little tighter look at the dial here. How nice is that? This is going to be a lot of fun to get under the macro lens. I don't know if you can tell, but the markers on the chaptering are actually engraved into the chaptering. That's really nice. Better look at the case there, the side profile, and also that movement. Gorgeous. Really smooth winding action. Awesome. Let's take a look on wrist. And here it is on my 7.25-inch wrist. Nice deployant clasp on the watch too. I think I read that this comes with normally a large and a medium strap on the long end, and this one must be the large because it's fitting me quite good, and there's still a couple of holes to spare. So I do really like that. I do not have both sizes with me here, but how cool of a 1-2 punch is that? That'd be a great travel duo right there. Daytime adventures, evening adventures with the Yema. Very cool. Keep an eye out for the full-length video on the watch. Just wanted to do a quick little casual unboxing here today. But first impressions, it is a gorgeous watch for sure. That full-length video should be coming here in the next few days. Appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.